What's up, Wildcats? Melissa Wilson here to share with you some of the new awesome Google Classroom updates for the upcoming school year. This video will cover the new Classwork function in Classroom. So if you've already set up your classes for the upcoming school year, the feature that I'm going to show you is actually not available. You'll see here on my page that I have two of my classes from last year. If I open them up, it looks exactly like how they did last year. In order to use this new feature, you do have to actually create new classes. At this time, Google Classroom does not support adding it to existing classes. So I'm going to create a new class. And pretty much after the class is created, you'll see that the interface is completely different than what we are used to from previous years because it has added this new Classwork feature to help us organize our classes for our students. So you'll see that when you open it up here, it has three options at the top: your stream, classwork, and then people. The About section that we're used to is missing. Another video is created for you to view regarding where to put any links that you want to share with your students that used to be in the About section. If I click on People, you'll see this is kind of where you'll have your teachers for the class and then also the students that are enrolled and where you can add students. The stream, which was in older versions of Google Classroom, is there, but it's different. It says that this is where you'll communicate with your class. You can create and schedule your announcements and then also to respond to any student posts. So if I click on the plus sign in the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see that I only have two options: to create an announcement or to reuse a post. And again, this is different than what we're used to. If you want to actually create an assignment or ask a question, you now have to click on Classwork. So this is where it's a little different. And in my opinion, much more beneficial because it gives you the option to organize your work for your students. So you'll see that it says assign work to your classes here by creating assignments and questions, and then use topics to organize classwork into modules or units. And then from there, you can organize the work that you want your students to see. So if you click on Create, you'll see that you have the option to now create a topic. So depending on how you run your class, mine is by unit. So I might create a few different topics. And again, you don't have to do this all right away, but I'm just going to show you kind of what I mean in this tutorial here. But I'm going to create Unit 1 and Unit 2. And you'll see here now that I can reorder my classwork depending on what you want your students to see. And that's all done with these three little dots here. So pretty much after I've created maybe one topic, two, whatever you want, that now you can create an assignment. So I'm just going to call this Unit 1 Reflection. You can still post your instructions. You can choose which classes you want to share it with or specific students, point value, due date, and then from there, you'll choose your topic. So I'm going to actually put this under Unit 1. I also can, do all the stuff that I was able to do before, upload something, add something from my Google Drive, a video, or a link. And then I can either assign right away, I can schedule it, or I can save it. So I'm going to click on Assign. And you'll see that because I put it under the Unit 1 topic, here it is under Unit 1 topic, and so on. So again, students now, when they go to their classwork page, will be able to view your assignments based on how you decide to organize them. So again, just makes life a little bit easier for both you and your students when it comes to completing classwork. As always, let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.